So friends, today I will explain how to use key fill sources using the key for graphics. You can see in my multi-view there is no key fill sources. So I will use here in still 2 image to explain the same. To do that, suppose I will use key 2 for that. So for that you have to press double tap key 2 menu will open. Now have to go insert source. Insert source here type should be Luma. For doing the key fill, type should be Luma. Insert source is still 2 fill. Source signal will be automatically still 2 fill. Still 2. Source signal will automatically be still 2 key. But you cannot see the effect of key 2 anywhere in my multi-view monitor because I didn't turn on my preview of key 2. So to that, pressing the background button, press the key 2. Now you can see the logo in preview. Now go to the next page. From here you can increase the gain, decrease the gain of your logo. Suppose I am increasing the gain here. You can see the multi-view monitor gain is increasing, right? You can also change the positions from here. For do that you have to go the next page. For do that you have to go positions. DV should be on and then position will work. You can see in the multi-view monitor I am changing the position. Suppose I think this is my perfect positions. So now have to take in PGM. So do that, just press the cut button. Your logo will be in PGM. You can see logo is PGM. So in this way you can use the key fill sources in your key to make graphics input in your video switcher in key 2. If key 2 is off, then logo will be off. Yes, if key 2 is on, then logo will again come back, because in key 2 this key fill is assigned for this logo.